Usumbut mitrang ba kajala badai pe itanat pe bludi wa Prestone tensang wa pentip hapok ing do ba thau aj matakasngi ba ke Shipai Kila Kular ban Pynthut ya kayat ke yang ki kari Paidbah pandrung sathai Mawshbuit ya kan diura pentip halo ke jingkali ke bawanra da UMLA ke mau keneng ba Stone kapran hapok ing do ba thau aj matakasngi ba Prestone no yathu ro ba konrat umtang ba kajala wa khot ya jinglang bat ke Shipai din kesngi habak ya kren halo ke kam bat Kila Kular ban Pynthut ya kayat ke yang ki Paidbah bat nagreng soka kas penbit penbiang ya ke posting ni kirai yang ni jinglang syua ban pentrikam ya ke rai.
Reply to state question 139. Sir, at present there is no obstruction for all types of road users. However, meetings in the level of Chief Deputy Roads and the GTC authorities have been held several times and the process of a permanent solution is being worked out, sir. So many times even inside this house. And in the last session, even I've already replied it very, very clearly that this stretch of 600 meters or plus, it falls under the defense land. That is very clear because all the papers, all the documents have been checked. However, sir, relating to that press report, I am not aware about it. But let me just inform the House that solution is more or less reached to a final conclusion. Sir, yesterday, Honorable Chief Minister has called a meeting where the GOC of the army also attended. All the officers of the defense and also with the officials of the state government. And in the meeting we had yesterday, I am happy to inform that the GOC and the Defense Authority has agreed not to disturb or not to create any stoppage of movement of traffic going or coming out of Mawshbuit village. Sir, very soon we will be able to get the proceeding of the meeting that we had yesterday, and once the proceeding is signed, then necessary direction will be given to the district administration to make sure that the stoppage of traffic movement to or from Mawshbuit village does not at all disturb. Land document is already there. However, yesterday again we have decided that resolving has to take place to make sure that everybody get the full clarity on the defense land or the civil land or whatever, and we have directed even the district administration along with the directorate of land record and survey to conduct the detailed survey, and thereafter we will see how this clarity is coming up, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I can do that. That portion, sir, it lies with the Defense Authority, and recently they have completed even the repairing and maintenance work.
So last few days, last week, that when the people wanted to start the bridge construction at Wampen, which connects Chenta and Papi Badi. So it was reported that the same armies came to obstruct. I mean, they even removed the signboard of the village. So what do you have, sir, to say on this, sir?
Sir, relating to that new bridge construction in that Umkent, we call it Umkent River. Sir, yes, we are aware about this issue. Because again, it happens that some portion of that land falls under the defense land. Again, yesterday we have decided that the district collector will again go on the ground. The joint inspection has to be conducted, and very soon this issue will also be taken up by the district administration along with the defense authorities.
So, and to do the needful at the earliest.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. In fact, this issue, as I've already replied, it's being taken up from time to time in the level of the district administration and also in the level of our chief engineer. Both sides, be it from the village authority as well as be it from the defense authority. Sir, I think just to mention here, since I've already replied also the supplementary question raised by the honorable mover of this question, that land document can be placed on the table of the House. I think we don't need to debate much. And I've replied that yes, this land document will be placed in the table of the House, and once the land document is placed, I'm very sure clarity will come out of it. And sir, as mentioned by the honourable member from Nongkrem constituency, Bahaden Pasamoy, sir, as I've said, yes, meeting has been held, and we are going to again have a meeting. In fact, last year itself, I called a meeting even with the village authority. We have explained everything. I called myself personally. We had a meeting with all of them, because now the issue is only how to make sure that the traffic movement does not stop or does not create any kind of hindrances to the public at large, especially the villagers of the Mawshbuit village. So I think this is the real issue where we discuss. So sir, as I just mentioned yesterday, we had a meeting, a very good meeting, very productive meeting under the chairmanship of Honorable Chief Minister. That's why I replied that I think very soon we will come out of this chronic issues where we have from time to time, and I'm very sure we'll be able to resolve it once and for all. And for the proceeding that we had taken a decision yesterday.
Sir, may I know from the Honourable Minister whether the local villages, local authority has been taken into consideration in the course of sorting out these problems, sir?
Sir, again, because see, the issue is about ownership of that portion of land. Last year when I had a meeting with the village authority, I've explained them very, very clearly that claiming the land is not at all possible. But however, the approach, government in all level, we are there with them to make sure that the approach does not at all affect to the movement of the public from or inside the Mawshbuit village.